Hey guys, do you like to make exactly the same December daily mini album? Then stay tuned and I'm going to show you what's in the kit. Okay guys, when you open up your kit you will see this. So you can get all the embellishment and the flowers that I used on the front of my December daily. Everything is inside here. The only thing that I used on my album is some white gesso to make those splashes. Well, of course that is not included, so you also can use some white paint or to do so. Even Tipex is gonna be useful to use. So that's the only thing that's not inside. I have to say this, I call this one that, yeah, oh my gosh. What's the name of that? I have no idea. But this is really bulky, but I went through the Big Shot to make it nice flat. So mine is pretty flat, as you can see on the front of my cover. Mine is flat, so I went through the Big Shot where you can cut your dies also with. So that's just a little tip where you can, but you also can leave it bulky. That's totally up to you, just a little tip. Okay, so that is including, and then of course a ribbon set with all the ribbons that I used, even the brown twine is in it. Then this is a sheet of that brown wound stickers that I used on my tags. So you get a sheet of 100 pieces of them. I believe there are 100, I did not count them, but there are plenty to use. Then I made a sticker sheet for all the dates for December you can use. I put in the crystals that I glued on my snowflakes. So there are snowflakes inside too, which I used in front of my album and a few inside. That's what I used. In this kit you will receive just an introduction note with some measurements. You don't have to do this, you can throw this right away in the garbage, because every measurement I will give you during the tutorial. So if you watch every minute of the tutorials, you don't miss a thing. There are even more measurements during the tutorials than I could write down. Alright, that's inside. Of course the bookbinder's linen is inside. The chipboard is inside. Of course a sheet of these lovely ATC cards is inside, and then of course all the papers are inside. Real quick go through. So you get these the Santa Claus, and then the back is this one, and then these two lovely ones with the green, but I think this is not necessary to show you because you saw everything in the album. But just to make sure that you are seeing those papers, I'm gonna show you. Look how cute these are. The colors are totally my style. Really the old-fashioned classical Christmas colors. This sheet I even only used once, and I fully have kept one sheet left, which I could not cut apart because I love the images too much. So this sheet that I have left, I give it to my mom so she can use it for Christmas cards or something like that. But look at those amazing vintage colors, and I believe there are 22 sheets. Oh, I must say, and I'm gonna count for you because I am not sure and I don't want to give you any wrong idea. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and then this is 23. Yes, 23 sheets are in this kit. I hope you like it. By the way, before I forgot, this is the FLEUR Design brand, and the collection is called New Year Night. So perhaps if you can't get to a kit, you can search for the papers if you want to buy it for yourself. Alright, so 2 pieces of chipboard. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you like this album. If you want to make exactly the same, then this is all I used. And so yeah, I hope you liked it, and please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I will see you. Don't be late this time. Bye bye, because it's really a limited edition guys. When I'm running out, I'm running out. Okay. Bye bye.